Welcome to the SAKI booth here at SMT Connect. Delighted to be joined by Jarda Neuhauser. Great to see you again, Jarda.
Great to see you, Trevor. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, so always new innovations coming out here. You're one of these stables that keeps reinventing your equipment. Latest thing is, of course, 3D X-ray. And you have a system called the 3XI M100.
M110, you are right, exactly.
M110, yeah, there you go, got it right. Tell us about the key features of this new system.
I mean, this system is designed for full mass production. It means to be in the line, and we were able to design the system in a way to keep the pace of the SMT line.
Okay.
So at the moment, we can acquire the image within 3 seconds per field of view at a very good high-resolution image, and apply the inspection libraries in very similar way as the AOI. It means, thanks to the planar CT, so planar computed tomography, the system automatically compensates all of distortions of the image. It means then you are getting just a set of the layers where you can apply your inspection libraries like you're used to use it on SPI and AOI. So very simple to use.
Making it simpler. That's great. So I mean, obviously, the image acquisition and bringing in the data is very important. What systems do you bring in? You bring in on Gerber data and then do the learning from there?
Yeah, generally you can use it with a pick and place file and Gerber data, but these days almost every customer is having ODB++ or OPM file, which are the best. So you can import the data with one click at the end.
Yeah.
And then if your library exists, your program is done. If your package doesn't exist yet, it's not taught yet, then you have to train it, which can be done easily within a couple of minutes.
Right, okay. So one of the other things, of course, is dealing with the amount of data that you're processing. How do you deal with that? Do you need a lot of computing power to be able to do this?
Of course, I mean there is a very powerful computer which is crunching the data in order to be then available for the operator during the judgment or verification. And also storing the data for the traceability. So the heavy data stays on the machine for all of the time when the PCB stays inside. Yeah. But once the PCB is unloaded from our machine, then those data are crunched and kept only the important areas or the areas in the resolution and the quality which customer requires. Right.
Okay, that's interesting. So also looking at the machine, are you still using the same tubes or have you upgraded any of that side of it?
The tube, we are using the same 110 kV tube, but we upgraded the detector. So now using the flat pan detector with almost 7 megapixel. So it's a big detector. Yeah. But that detector delivers us the speed also, yes, because we can cover a larger area within the same time.
Okay. So when you're talking about, obviously we're talking about processing speed here, you're getting quite a bit more demand from the automotive industry. Where are you finding the demand coming from?
Yeah, mainly automotive industry, as you mentioned, with the coming electric vehicles. That's a very high demand to X-ray pretty much complex architecture of the new products. And also we see a lot of demands from industrial applications. Yeah, are you getting any work on the battery work? Some of the battery, not really. We are focused on 2 major fields. One of the fields is PCBA inspection, which we should talk about now. The second is the high power devices, so the IGBTs.
Systems. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and they seem to be, growing in number as well.
Indeed.
Yeah, absolutely. Great. Super. So we're going to, obviously this is our productronica year, coming up later in the year. I believe you're going to have some big announcements then.
I think so.
You think so?
I think so, but that's something we shall keep for November timeframe.
Okay. All right, so we'll watch this space. Jarda, it's great to catch up and great to see you again.
Thank you very much, Trevor.
Okay.
Thank you.